Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss previous year question of year 2010 KVS. Topic is general awareness, general GK. Topic total 30 question. First we should know the benefit of analyzing previous year question. There are five benefits. In this, candidates can get the idea of difficulty level of questions. They can understand the exact nature of the exam pattern, and with the help of previous year question paper, students get the idea of topic wise distribution of the question, and these are helpful to plan their strategy for KVS exam, and it is also helpful to increase their speed and make better time management. And this question I have downloaded from GradeUp app. So you can also download GradeUp app and give so many questions so that you can see where you're standing for. So let's start the first question. For instant energy, athletes take A. Sucrose, vitamin C, sodium chloride, and milk. The answer is sucrose. Which Sufi saint's dargah is at Ajmer? Salim Chishti, Muaddin Chishti, Baba Farid, Hazrat Nizamuddin. Answer is Muzuddin Chishti. Through which one among the following materials does the sound travel the slowest? Air, water, wood, or glass? The answer is air. And it's due to because molecules in the air are very far. The wheel chakra in Indian national flag contains how many spokes? This everybody knows because from when we are small we always used to celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day, and we are Indians, we generally knows. The answer is 24. In eye donation, which of the following parts of eyes is utilized? Iris, Lewis, cornea, or retina? Answer is retina. Retina is used when we donate eyes. Who among the following is not a tennis player? Serena Williams, Steffi Graf, Martina Navratilova, and Ricky Ponting. Answer is Ricky Ponting because Ricky Ponting is a cricketer. The number of chromosomes in a normal human body is 46, 43, 44, 45. Answer is 46. Indian Railways earn the maximum revenue from passenger fare, freight, traffic tax, or passenger tax. Answer is freight. The time gap between two successive sessions of Parliament is not to exceed 4 months, 6 months, 1 year, and what is specified by the President? Answer is 6 months. The pH of human blood is between 5 to 6.5, 6.5 to 7.5, 7.5 to 8, or 8 to 8.5. Answer is 6.5 to 7.5. The process of metamorphosis of rock may involve a sandstone turning into quartzites, limestone becoming marble, shale getting converted into slate, and all of the above. Answer is all of the above. The Constitution of India provides for the nomination of 2 members of Lok Sabha by the President to represent the Parsis, member of eminence, and the business community, and the last is the Anglo-Indian community. The answer is Anglo-Indian community, and we should know that what is the strength of the Lok Sabha. Strength of the Lok Sabha is 545. Which language is not specified in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution? Sanskrit, B. Sindhi, C. Urdu. Fourth option is not given here. Fourth was Rajasthan. तो आंसर वॉज राजस्थानी। ऑप्शन नहीं दिया हुआ है। वजीर ए आलम ऑफ पाकिस्तान, वजीर ए आलम ऑफ पाकिस्तान प्रेजेंटली इज असफ अली जरदारी, सैयद यूसुफ रज़ा गिलानी एंड परवेज़ मुशर्रफ, या मोहम्मद मिलन सोमरू। आंसर इज सैयद यूसुफ रज़ा गिलानी। Oscar Award 2010 for Best Picture was given to Avatar, District 9, The Hurt Locker and Education. Answer is Hurt Locker. Rate of evaporation does not depend upon a temperature of the liquid, surface area of the liquid, total mass of the liquid and air pressure. Answer is total mass of the liquid. Now match the following: sodium bicarbonate, calcium carbonate, potash, calcium hypochlorite, and list 2 is bleaching powder, baking soda, chalk and alum. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Sodium bicarbonate is baking soda, means B. A option is 2 and only one is there whose A option is 2. Then 30's option is B, means sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, calcium carbonate, chalk and potash is calcium carbonate. एक मिनट, what is the potash? Potash is chalk and D is calcium hypochlorite, it is bleaching powder. Robert Koch worked on tuberculosis, directive principle, legal right, social right. Robert Koch worked on tuberculosis, cholera, malaria, diabetes. Answer is tuberculosis. Right to property is a fundamental right, directive principle, legal right, social right. Answer is legal right. The 55th Amendment 1986 conferred statehood on Chhattisgarh, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Jharkhand. Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. The Vice President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of first option A, the elected members of parliament, the members of the members of both the houses of parliament, the elected members of parliament and state assemblies, and members of Lok Sabha and Legislative Council. The answer is the members of both the houses of parliament. This was the question. Here more question here also. I have discussed not 14. I have gone that is question 27. Which of the following pairs of language and it's one of the greatest poet are not correctly matched? Hindi Kalidas, Bengali Rabindranath Tagore, Urdu Ghalib and Greek Homer. Answer is Hindi Kalidas, because Kalidas was a Sanskrit writer. Which of the following is concerned with trade unions? Answer is I and TUC. and it was founded on 3rd May 1947. World No Tobacco Day is observed on May 31st, June 11, September 28, October 10 is celebrated on May 31. Roof of the world is Pamirs, Tibet, Himalayas, Mount Everest. Answer is Pamir. The new Bank of India has been merged with which bank? State Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Punjab National Bank or Canara Bank? It's Punjab National Bank. Where are the headquarters of International Red Cross Committee? Answer is option is Berlin, Prague, Moscow and Geneva. Answer is Geneva. Choose the wrong definition. Contour. Areas of equal height above sea level is right. Isotherms. Area having the same temperature. Iso heights. Equal rainfall areas, and isobath is wrong. Places of equal atmospheric pressure. It is a imaginary line or line on map or chart that connects all points having the same depth below a surface. Which of the following countries is not grouped with the Caribbean? Cuba, Bermuda, Jordan, Anguilla. Its answer is Jordan. India's national album is first Louis flower, lion, capital, lion and cow. So it is lion capital. Davis Cup is associated with which sport? Lawn tennis, cricket, hockey, badminton. It's lawn tennis. Which of the following is a famous violin player? Jia Moaddin Khan, S. Balachandran, Sajid Hussain or S. Subramaniam? Answer is S. Subramaniam. Tripani is a dance drama of the state Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Manipur. Answer is Gujarat. Match the following list. One is Govinda, Aryabhatta, Banabhatta, Samudragupta and third is Rakshakuta's Gupta dynasty, Harshvardhan and Indian Napoleon. तो इसका को सही करना है. इसका ऑप्शन कोई बात नहीं ऑप्शन दिया है. इसका ऑप्शन यहाँ है. तो इसका आंसर है, देख लेते हैं क्या है. गोविंदा का होगा राष्ट्रकूटाज और आर्यभट्ट का गुप्ता डायनेस्टी. जैसे है वैसे ही है. बानाभट्ट का हर्षवर्धन एंड समुद्रगुप्त इंडियन नेपोलियन. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज 35 क्वेश्चंस were total. Which article of the constitution provides the parliament to the power to amend the constitution? इसमें भी सिर्फ दो ऑप्शन दिए हैं, बी और डी नहीं दिया. तो उसका आंसर है 368. So this was the answer and इसके बाद we'll discuss reasoning question. This is a reasoning question and you can download this question from GradeUp app. So if you like this session, please like and subscribe and also share with your friends. Thank you.